Welcome to VitalityVista, where we unlock the secrets of nature for a vibrant life. Have you ever wondered how to make the most of the enchanting magic Bay Laurel? From culinary delights to natural remedies, this aromatic herb has so much to offer. Whether you're looking to enhance your cooking or boost your well-being, we've got you covered with the top tips you need. So let's explore the magic of Bay Laurel together and discover how it can transform your daily routine. Stay tuned for some incredible insights. Here are 10 tips for using magic Bay Laurel, also known as Laurus nobilis, which is known for its aromatic leaves and culinary uses. 1. Culinary use. Bay leaves are a staple in many cuisines around the world, prized for their unique flavor and aromatic properties. When added to dishes like soups, stews, and sauces, bay leaves release essential oils that impart a complex taste characterized by herbal and slightly floral notes. To utilize bay leaves effectively, add 1 or 2 whole leaves during the cooking process, allowing them to simmer alongside other ingredients. It's essential to remember to remove the leaves before serving, as they can remain tough and sharp, posing a choking hazard. The leaves do not dissolve in the cooking process, which is why it's crucial to discard them after use. Some chefs recommend crushing the leaves before adding them to enhance their flavor. 2. Aroma Therapy. Bay Laurel essential oil extracted from the leaves is well known in aromatherapy for its calming and grounding effects. When diffused in your home, the oil can promote relaxation, alleviate stress, and enhance mental clarity. Many users find that the scent of Bay Laurel can help improve concentration, making it an excellent choice for work or study environments. To use Bay Laurel essential oil, add a few drops to a diffuser filled with water or blend it with a carrier oil for topical application. This oil can also be used in massage blends to relieve muscle tension and enhance overall well-being. When used in bath water, Bay Laurel oil can provide a soothing and aromatic experience, helping to alleviate fatigue. 3. Herbal Tea. Bay leaf tea is a fragrant and soothing beverage that can be easily prepared using fresh or dried leaves. To make this tea, simply steep a couple of bay leaves in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. The result is a warm, aromatic drink that not only tastes delightful but also offers various health benefits. Bay leaf tea is often consumed for its potential digestive benefits. It may help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, bay leaves contain antioxidants, which can support overall health and wellness. Some people enjoy adding honey or lemon to enhance the flavor of their bay leaf tea. Drinking this tea in moderation can also provide mild respiratory relief, making it a popular choice during cold and flu seasons. For those looking to explore new herbal infusions, bay leaf tea can be combined with other herbs such as ginger or chamomile to create unique flavor profiles. 4. Pest repellent. The strong aroma of dried bay leaves makes them an effective natural pest repellent, particularly against pantry pests like moths and cockroaches. To utilize bay leaves as a pest deterrent, simply place a few dried leaves in your pantry, kitchen cabinets, or storage areas. Their potent scent will help repel these unwanted visitors, creating a less hospitable environment for pests. For enhanced effectiveness, you can crush the leaves slightly to release more oils, increasing their potency as a repellent. This method is not only eco-friendly but also safer than chemical pesticides, making it a popular choice for households aiming to maintain a natural living space. Regularly replacing the dried leaves will ensure that their fragrance remains strong and effective. 5. Seasoning mix. Grinding dried bay leaves into a fine powder opens up new culinary possibilities and can enhance the flavor profile of various dishes. To create your own bay leaf seasoning mix, start by thoroughly drying the leaves. Once dried, use a spice grinder or mortar and pestle to crush the leaves into a fine powder. This powder can then be incorporated into spice blends, marinades, or rubs, offering a rich herbal note that complements other spices like thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Bay leaf powder is particularly versatile. It can be sprinkled into sauces, sprinkled on meats before roasting, or added to vegetable dishes for added depth of flavor. 6. Potpourri. Incorporating dried bay leaves into potpourri mixes not only adds a delightful fragrance to your home, but also contributes to an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. To create your own potpourri, combine dried bay leaves with other aromatic herbs, spices, and essential oils. Popular additions include dried lavender, rose petals, cinnamon sticks, and citrus peels, all of which can complement the earthy scent of bay leaves. Arrange the mixture in decorative bowls or sachets to enhance your home decor while providing a natural fragrance. Over time, the aroma of bay leaves will fade, so consider refreshing your potpourri with additional essential oils to maintain its potency. Not only do bay leaves contribute to the overall fragrance, but their glossy texture adds visual appeal to potpourri arrangements. 7. Natural remedy. Bay leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and they can be infused in olive oil to create a natural remedy for various ailments. To make bay leaf infused oil, gently heat a few bay leaves in a carrier oil. such as olive oil, for several hours, allowing the beneficial properties of the leaves to infuse into the oil. This infused oil can then be applied topically to relieve muscle aches, joint pain, or headaches. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves may help soothe discomfort when massaged into sore areas. Additionally, bay leaf oil can be used as a hair treatment to promote scalp health and shine. Incorporating bay leaf oil into your beauty routine can provide moisturizing benefits while leaving a pleasant aroma. Always conduct a patch test before applying any infused oils to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions. 8. Bouquet Garney. A Bouquet Garney is a classic French cooking technique that involves tying together a bundle of herbs, including bay leaves, to flavor soups, stews, and sauces. To create a Bouquet Garney, take a few bay leaves along with herbs such as thyme, parsley, and rosemary and tie them together with kitchen twine. This convenient bundle can be added to your cooking pot, allowing the flavors to infuse without the hassle of fishing out individual herbs later. The benefit of using a Bouquet Garney is that it keeps your dish clear of stray herbs while still allowing their essence to enhance the overall flavor. Once cooking is complete, simply remove the bundle from the pot and discard it. 9. Crafts and decor. Bay leaves can be creatively incorporated into crafts and decorative arrangements, bringing a touch of nature into your home. One popular use is to create decorative wreaths, where fresh or dried bay leaves can be arranged to form a beautiful and fragrant centerpiece. This can be a delightful addition to your front door or as a focal point in your kitchen. Bay leaves can also be combined with other materials such as dried flowers, berries, and twigs to create stunning seasonal decor. Another creative idea is to use bay leaves in homemade gift tags or cards, providing a unique and aromatic touch to your gifts. To make these, simply attach a dried bay leaf to a card with twine or glue, adding a personalized element to your presents. 10. Gardening. Growing your own bay laurel tree can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to have a fresh supply of bay leaves at your fingertips. Bay laurel thrives in well-drained soil and requires full sun exposure, making it ideal for outdoor gardens or patio containers. When planting, ensure you choose a location that provides protection from harsh winds, as the tree can be sensitive to extreme weather. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but be cautious not to overwater as bay laurel prefers slightly drier conditions. Pruning is also important to maintain the tree's shape and encourage bushy growth. You can harvest leaves throughout the year, but it's best to pick them when they are mature and fully developed for the best flavor. Incorporating bay laurel into your garden can attract beneficial insects while providing a beautiful evergreen backdrop. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magic of bay laurel. We hope these tips inspire you to incorporate this incredible herb into your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to VitalityVista for more amazing content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below sharing your favorite way to use bay laurel or any tips you have. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Until next time, embrace the vitality of nature.